Air conditioning diagnosis. The two most common reasons why your AC system is not working are low refrigerant or an issue with one of the components that run your AC system. Let me give you an example to explain how your AC system works. If you grab a can of aerosol air like the one you use to clean off a dusty keyboard, then spray it for 10 seconds, the can is filled with compressed air. When the air exits the can, it becomes decompressed. This makes the can and the released air cold. This is similar to how your AC system works to create cold air within a closed-loop system. It has an additional 7 mechanical components to make your AC system reliable and work for you when you need it. Let's walk through a couple of question and answers to see if we can give you an idea why your car's AC is not working. Has your vehicle been recharged with refrigerant in the past 5 years? If not, that's probably the issue, and you should start there and get your system diagnosed and, if needed, recharged. If you have done a recharge recently, the next question is there any air blowing out of the vents? If not, it's probably a blower, resistor, or a problem with one of the other mechanical components we mentioned. This issue needs to be verified, then fixed or replaced. If it is blowing some air, let's go to the next question. We know some air is coming out. Is the air coming out with low velocity, or is it coming out with normal velocity? If the velocity of the air is low, the vent may be clogged, or there could be a fan motor control issue. This needs to be diagnosed, then fixed. If the velocity of the air is good, let's go to the last question. When you turn your AC on full blast, what is the temperature of the air coming out of the vents? If it is coming out cold, your AC is working well. If the AC is coming out hot, this is most likely a vent control issue, meaning the knobs you are turning to tell the AC to send cold air are not working to the point where it's telling your heater to send hot air. This is rare but happens from time to time. If the air is coming out cool, but not ice cold, you may just need a recharge of refrigerant. Again, this is the most common issue and solution. If the air is room temperature, most likely the AC system is not turning on at all, and it is an electrical or mechanical issue with one of those components that needs to be diagnosed further. At our shop, we first diagnose your vehicle with a specific machine created to test each and every part of your AC system to determine the problem before fixing it. We combine this with our decades of experience fixing air conditioning problems to do everything we can to make sure it's fixed right the first time. Use care when looking for a shop to diagnose and service your AC system. Some shops boast a quick, low-cost, in-and-out slogan. In turn, they employ newer technicians who are still learning the auto repair trade. Some shops will even hold you liable for the cost of parts and labor even if the issue is not fixed. This is why we suggest paying a small fee for an expert to diagnose the AC issue and provide the solution before repairs are started. This can save you time and money now and in the long run. We would like to earn your business. We will diagnose and verify all repairs before we perform the job. We will provide expert advice for your car. We stand behind our work. Please check out our reviews and see what others say about us. Understand we have decades of experience fixing AC issues. If you have any questions or want to schedule an appointment, give us a call today.